Grinki's fun new mission. Today we're flying to Earth. We must find little Nina and help her with a smile.
Playing in the garden, digging in the ground, little tiny treasures waiting to be found. Squish, squish, mighty hands, happy as can be, making magic castles just for you and me.
Mommy, I'm really hungry. Can I have yummy food, please? I played in the garden for so long. It was so much fun.
Nina, sweetie, your hands are all dirty. Before we eat, we need to wash them first, okay?
But Mommy, my hands are clean. Look, see? They're not dirty at all.
Nina, Nina, come with me. Let's make some magic, you will see. With my magic laser beam, a microscope appears like in a dream. Look inside and you will know where all the tiny germs do go.
We're the little naughty germs, jumping, spinning, taking turns. We are sneaky, yes, it's true. We're so happy when kids catch the flu. But when the soap comes, we all shout no. Bubbles chase us and away we go. We hate the water, we run and hide. Clean hands keep kids safe inside.
Oh wow, yucky bugs. I'm gonna wash my hands super fast.
Wash your hands, clap, clap, clap before we eat. Tap, 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 rub them front, rub them back. Chase those germs right off the track.
Splash, splash, bubbles fly. Wave the dirty germs goodbye
Before each bite, it's what we do. Happy hands for me and you. Wash your hands, clap, clap, clap before we eat. Tap, tap, tap.
Rub them front, rub them back. Chase those germs right off the track.
Splash, splash, bubbles fly. Wave the dirty germs goodbye. Before each bite, it's what we do. Happy hands for me and you.
Wow! What a great adventure! Did you like today's story? I can't wait to see you in the next episode. Bye-bye!
Hello Earth, I'm Grinki from a space. I come in peace with a friendly face. I'm here to learn and help you too, with songs and fun, just me